on the ground with me. Hi, it's me. Here at Kampong Chai Chi, under the cover of darkness. Digital for Life Festival 2025, upcoming on the 1st and 2nd November. Well, if you have missed the previous week's Digital for Life Festival 2025 at Vivo City during 25th and 26th October, well, this is your second chance of a digital adventure. Please understand that there will be photography and videography at this event. By participating in this event, you hereby consent to have your photograph and or video taken by IMDA and its partners for marketing and publicity purposes. Hashtag not sponsored, hashtag not affiliated. So, while there is absolutely no crowd at the moment, let's take a look at some of the exhibits which are already put up. And if you are interested in participating in this event, go ahead. I hope the words are clear enough for the camera. And yes, this event has been set up by Pico. Now let's take a perimeter walk around, since with the cordon lines, I'm not supposed to be entering. The exhibition isn't ready yet. But if you are here on the 1st and 2nd November, have fun. And remember, whatever this sign says, this area is under 24-hour surveillance. Nah. Get to meet your childhood heroine, Dora the Explorer, at these particular time slots. Location beside the Singtel booth in front of the Pizza Hut booth. Yeah, the Pizza Hut booth. And if you are into virtual reality, augmented reality, well, VisioFly is one company to follow. Have you kept you and your family secure today? Great job, you are a cyber explorer. You caught 100 stars. Maybe I should have started from this panel instead. Aiya, presents. Is this legit? Swipe here. And I guess communications with HQ has not been established yet. Press the external input key to select the desired input. And if you are the silver generation, come here for the SG Digital Community Hub operation hours. Hey, it's YouTube. It's me tube. Gen AI enhanced digital photo booth. Would you like to have a AI generated enhanced picture of yourself? But since the exhibition is very linear, maybe I should finish the tour along a side before walking to the other side.
Kali sampai dia kasi aku semua yang game tak ada campur kan, semua jalan terus.
But at the point of recording, there is 12 more hours to the opening of the Digital for Life Festival. You will be surprised how much can be accomplished in a short span of 12 hours. Smart bin for a smart nation. And these are the back rooms. Pico. And more, although you will have to enter the exhibition grounds for real in order to get a closer look at all the exhibitions, display, guided tours, and many more. Follow these simple steps. Scammers hate this. And when in doubt, ask a friend, a trusted friend, not a friend who says, "Hi, it's me." Okay, maybe I shouldn't have said that. And I guess that's all for tonight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, click the notification button to be informed of future content. And you have been on the ground with me.